Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Akia Says Relax, and if this is the first time of you seeing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. So today I decided to do something a bit different. I decided to make a clay mask for my hair. So I'm just starting off by measuring a quarter cup of Aztec clay and then a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. And then I'm adding a bit of water just to make sure that everything mixes very smoothly. So I'm going to put the ingredients and the measurements all in the description box below. Okay, so I'm starting off with the front section of my hair, and I'm just making sure that the clay gets in all the parts of my hair so that no part is left looking black. And so from the research that I did, there are lots of benefits that you can derive from this clay mask. It helps to remove all the toxins in your hair and also brings out the curl pattern or defines the curls in your hair. So I'm going to put the measurements in the description box below later on. So I'm done with that part, and I'm just finishing off the rest of the parts, the rest of the sections of my hair. So what a lot of people realize is that after you've put the clay on your hair, it becomes very hard and it looks really stiff. But then this shouldn't freak you out, because once you wash everything out, it's going to go back to normal. Okay, so I've finished putting the clay in all the parts of my hair, and I'm just checking to make sure that I haven't left any spaces out. Okay, so I'm adding a bit more to that section because I could tell that it wasn't enough on that part. Okay guys, so I just washed everything out after waiting for like 15 minutes, and just look at those curls, see how everything turned out. So I hope you guys try this method out and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you guys so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.